Check it out, viewers. I voted today, did you? Get out and do your civic duty. Yeah, I decided to vote today. Got my voting done a little early. Had to stand in line an hour and a half. Probably gonna be worse on November the 3rd. My head's stuck in the crack. Time to drive a few nails here before it gets dark. Don't like the look of them clouds. Good morning, YouTubers. I'm out here tinkering a little bit with my deck project today. This area here in front of the basement door is open to the weather. Now I've got a drain built down in the bottom of there. On my old deck, my deck boards ran downhill, and there was a crack between the boards. But most of the water ran right off this end of the deck. But this time the deck board's going to be going across. And I'm going to be more subject to water getting down in there. On heavy rains, I'm concerned about it could flood out down here. Because that drain could be partially clogged over the years. Don't know. So I got an idea called the underdeck drainage system. I can run most of the water off of here. As it leaks through the cracks, it'll run off, or some of that corrugated plastic stuff like on the roof of my swing that's out there. But anyway, you slope the plastic down where the rain will run off, especially from this beam out. I can run all that water out to an area where it drips outside, not down in here. This one out here, I could slope it down and run it into a rain gutter and run it out that side. That might be worth considering. I'm in here today putting some joist hangers, not joist hangers, these little duflunkers here. Show you. Tie downs, I guess you'd call them. And I noticed a rafter up there where I was nailing with a nail gun in a hurry yesterday, and missed two of the nails. They're sticking out the side. So let's put a couple screws in there. Thought I brought the screwdriver with me. I guess I didn't. Oh, there it is. Losing my mind. I got out here yesterday and put couple of joists. I put that one there in, and I stopped it right here, mainly because this wall was in the way, but also because this board had a bad place in it. My step area going down to my steps is going to be right there. So I didn't really need, I can put scrap pieces in here to fill up for my 5/4 board that trims the side. But I actually had to have one there. I'll show you when I build my deck why. Probably won't get a whole lot done today. First thing I'm going to do is fix these nails I missed. Let's put one to a screw. Right there. And there. That ought to make it plenty strong enough. Now there ain't no screws in there. That's pocket full of nails. Where's my screws? Here's one. And let's get to hanging some of these joists while I got the ladder under here with me. Now those over there, I shoved them all the way up to the top, but this is a hold down, and that puts my nails awful close to the top. I could drop it down just a little bit, get a better grip with that nail. And that's what I'm going to do. Better put the drill bit back in there though. I think I'll put the brackets on the outside. This is too shaky standing on this ladder. Oh yeah, that's better. Anyway, I gotta go to Lowe's and get me some of that corrugated plastic sheeting, because I'm definitely gonna make my drip system. I'm working with a bit of a handicap here today. Some years ago I tore out my right shoulder. Completely ripped out my rotor cuff. So I got no strength at all in my right arm, even though it was repaired to the best it can be repaired. So you can't hold your arm up very long to do anything. And when you do something, you can't do it coordinated. You retrain your brain to use the muscle after they hook it back up, but it never works quite the same as it did originally. That's why pitchers that get that surgery have to really work hard to get back into the game. If I was playing baseball and I try to throw a baseball over there and hit my truck, the ball's probably going to go over there and hit that tree. That's how inaccurate what you do is with your arm is. Find yourself dropping things. Phone's ringing. Anyway, now my left rotor cuff is acting awful weak. I think I've tore it too.
Call from Pwalpar.